Hello, this is Robert from Olumi Lighting. What you're watching on my desk are our brand new LED strip connector series. And this kind of LED strip connectors can be used for 8mm single color LED strip, 10mm single color LED strip, and 10mm RGB LED strip. And all these kind of LED strip connectors, we have both strip to wire and strip to strip. And in this video we have introduced 8mm strip to wires, and in this video we will introduce you the 8mm and strip to strip connectors. Because the others, the single color 10mm and RGB 10mm strip to strip connectors are so similar. Now let's take a look at these connectors. As you can see, we have space here for the LED on both sides. And let's turn back. And now, as you can see, we have two locking cover. And here we have a bump. For better fixing the LED strip. Okay, now let me show you how to use these connectors. Okay, and peel the paper, then insert it. Okay, and another side, also peel the paper and insert it. Okay, turn back. Now just lock. Okay, connection complete. And now, as you can see, this LED are inserted. These two LED are inserted into the space. This is why we design this space, because it can allow the LED strip better deeper insert into the strip connector. Now let me light this LED strip up. Okay, let's make some small test. We can twist it. Check it. So as you can see, the connection is so strong. So this is our strip to strip 8mm LED strip connector. And thank you for watching.